you the page. Yes. Note down fast. Population control, importance for cottage industries, loans and subsidies for self-employment, developing world-class skill, then job-oriented courses, that is vocational training. Okay, job-oriented courses. Once we complete that course, we should be able to get the job. Job-oriented courses. Then generating more employment opportunities. Did you finish copying? Yes. Okay. Now, I'll take a small topic. We will skip corruption today. We'll go for communalism. We'll go for the third important problem actually. Here in your textbook it is discussed in that order, but we'll go for communalism for today. Okay. What is communalism? Raise your hands fast. You might have heard about this word. What is communalism? Raise your hand. Communalism, community, communal violence. Communal violence. Nobody knows? Feel very sad for these children. Communal violence, very important. Shri Harsha, please.
Dispute between two religions.
Disputes
Religion.
between, yeah. Shreya Hegde. Shreya Hegde. Shri Harsha's answer is right. Shreya? Okay. So I'll display the definition of communalism for you. Let us go for the definition. Okay. So communalism is segregating the people in the name of religion, creating hatredness, and also cultivating the opposite self-interest among the people. It is called communalism. So in short, okay, so you can say that communalism is a dispute between two religions. Do you know the meaning of religion? So many of you get confused about the meaning of religion and region. So religion is a dharma. We have many dharmas, no? We have many religions. We have Hindu dharma, we have Muslim dharma, we have Christian dharma. So the dispute between these religions, okay? So Hindu Muslim galate, it is an example for what? Communalism. So communalism, it can be defined as segregation in the name of religion. Segregation means separating. To segregate means to separate. Segregation in the name of religion, creating hatredness among the people, and also to cultivate opposite self-interest. Okay, the people belonging to Islam religion, they start hating Hindus. Hindus start hating Christians. So this type of this type of thing cultivated among the people is called what? Communalism. Okay. So how communalism is caused? Actually, communalism we can see its history in the period of British. Okay, it is the British who adopted divide and rule policy to continue their control over our nation. They started segregating. They gave more importance for Islam people because they wanted their support. Okay, they supported Muslims to establish Muslim League. They provided many different types of benefits to Muslims. Separate electoral college means separate electoral constituency was given to Muslims. So you can see the seeds of communalism in our British period, in the British period of our history. So it is continued by our politicians, vote bank politics. Okay. So they provide different types of what facilities to a particular type of religion. The people belonging to other religion think they start to hate those people. They do not think of hating the government or the politicians who have introduced or who are segregating the people. It is the politicians who try to segregate, who try to separate Hindus and Muslims. But what do? We usually do not think of why it has been done. We simply think of hating the other religions people. So this is what communalism mean. Do you have any doubt? So it is disputes between two religions, but this dispute is caused by what? The policies of the leaders, segregating. They will separate us, so otherwise we would have lived in harmony. But what will they do? Maybe for appeasing the people for vote, they will introduce different types of facilities. Do you know any kind of such a facility given for the other religions and Hindus will not get? Do you know? Raise your hand, please. The government has introduced many facilities for a particular religion and the other religions are not getting it, and that is why what slowly they start hating the religion that has got that opportunity.
Reservation system.
Reservation system, okay. Then reservation system, it is not only for religion. So that is based on caste system is there and the people who have remained backward. Reservation is one of the what causes, but religion based facilities, think of religion based facilities given to a particular religion. Do you know? Yeah, please.
Hajj, Hajj Yatra.
Hajj Yatra, exactly, Sriharsha. Okay, so the people belonging to Muslim religion, they go for Hajj and they will get what? Traveling allowances for going to Hajj. But the people belonging to other religions, they won't get. So what the people should do? They should force the government to not to do like that instead of hating the people who are getting that. Okay, so giving traveling allowances to the people who are going to Hajj. Muslims, they are going to Hajj. It is one of the facilities. It is causing the communal problem. Then any other thing that you know? Okay. So this is what communalism mean. You should not get confused with communalism and communism. Both of them are different. Communalism is disputes among two religions. So again, let me repeat the definition. It is segregating the people on the basis of religion, creating hatredness among them, and also cultivating self opposite interest or opposite self interest among them. This is called what? Communalism. Okay, so the people of a particular community, they start to feel that their community should expand in a particular region, and that is why they start preaching about their religion and they create suspicion about other religions. They give support for this communalism. The leaders belonging to particular religion, they also support this communalism. Then what are the effects of communalism? For this I expect answer from you, because communal violence is an important problem of India. Tell me fatafat. What are the effects? You can take the example of Kashmir here. You can remember the situation in Kashmir. Ashreya.
Disturbs peace among the society.
Loudly, Marie, once more.
It disturbs peace among the society.
Exactly. Peace in the society is disturbed. During the time of communal violence, people will go for destruction of public property as well as private property. So, public peace is disturbed, public property and private property are destroyed. Then what happens? Then social differences will be there. Social differences and mutual suspicion. We will not believe the people belonging to other religion, and they will not believe us. So social differences will be created, mutual suspicion will be created, public peace will be destroyed. Always there will be a fear in the society. Okay, ಸೊ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿಯ ಜನರು ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಬದುಕುವಂತಹ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ರಿಲಿಜನ್ನಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟ ಜನ ಹೋಗಿ ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಪೀಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ದೇರ್, ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಅಫ್ರೇಡ್, ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಅ ಫಿಯರ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಅವ್ರು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಾವಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಮಗೇನೋ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಬರಬಹುದು, ನಾವೇನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೋ ಹೇಳುವಂತಹ ಭಯ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಇಫೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಲಿಸಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ above all these things, one more important problem is there, which is what? Which is a great problem for India's integrity and unity. Unity and integrity of India, it will be disturbed. How can you give me the example for this? There is a threat for India's integrity because of communalism. Do you know what is integrity? ಅಖಂಡತೆ. ಭಾರತ ಒಡೆದು ಹೋಗುವಂತಹ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆಗಳಿದ್ದಾವೆ ಕಮ್ಯುನಲ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇಂದ. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಗಿವ್ ಮಿ ಅನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್? ಎನಿಬಡಿ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ರೇಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಶ್ರೀಹರ್ಷ ಅಗೇನ್.
India and Pakistan after independence.
India and Pakistan after independence, and Kashmir. There is every situation of losing Kashmir, right? So for the integrity of India, there is a threat. Some people of Kashmir, they are supporting the terrorists there. They want separate Kashmir as a nation. So this is how communalism, it always keeps the self-interest above national interest. Communal interest will be there above national interest. ನನ್ನ ದೇಶ ಹೇಳುವಂತಹ ಭಾವನೆ ಬದಲಾಗಿ ಏನು ಭಾವನೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ? ನನ್ನ ಧರ್ಮದ ದೇಶ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಅದು ನನ್ನ ದೇಶ ಹೇಳುವಂತಹ ಭಾವನೆಗಿಂತ ಯಾವಾಗ ಧರ್ಮ ಮೇಲ್ ಹೋಯ್ತೋ ಅವಾಗ ಆ ದೇಶದ ಅಖಂಡತೆಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ದೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಥ್ರೆಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಿಟಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಯುನಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. ಸೊ ಕಮ್ಯುನಲಿಸಮ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್. Yes, see, this is one of the questions at the end, which is given at the end of the lesson. Make note of these points. Make it fast. Writing or taking screenshots? Have you all taken the screenshots? ಆಮೇಲಾದ್ರೂ ಬರಿಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಯು. ಓಕೆ, it's worksheet. I'll give one question based on this. Okay, any doubt here, children? Now last topic for today, that is solutions for the problem of communalism. You suggest me the solutions. Suggest me the solutions, children, please. Kavya, very good.
Showing equality among all the community.
Very good. Showing equality. Okay. So equality should be given to the people belonging to all the religions. Giving equality means all types of facilities. If one religion is getting a particular type of facility, others should also get. Then remember your preamble. Shreya Bhatt.
Respecting the faiths of all the community.
Once more, Marie. I couldn't hear you properly.
Respect
Loudly.
respecting the faiths of all the people over the society.
Respecting, very good. We have to respect the people belonging to all the religions. Good suggestion. Then, so that type of education should be given, right? That type of feelings should be developed among the people. We have to respect the people belonging to all the religions. That type of education should be given. Then, Abhuvana, remember your preamble, you'll get the answer.
Supporting secular values in the society.
Exactly. We the people of India. Do you remember?
Yes.
Secular, socialist, democratic nation. Secular. Secular means the state which considers all the religions equal. We have to develop secular thoughts. All the religions are equal. All the religions are same. That type of feeling should be developed. Secular thoughts should be developed. Then, Sumuk. Then
electing a eligible political leader.
Electing eligible political leader. Okay, that we will do in the future. Then one more thing, very important word which the this present central government, it wants to bring this into force. Very important topic, always discussed in the news. So the present central government wants to introduce this in India. What do you wear to the school every day? It is uniform, no? So uniform civil code. So for all the religions, same type of rules and regulations. So in our country, now we have what? Religion, some not to hurt the religious feelings of a particular religion. Our government has provided different types of rules for different types of religion. So that should be stopped. So Shariat law is followed by Muslim people. Our constitution, it has taken into consideration this Shariat law so that not to hurt the feelings of Muslims. So in some cases, Muslims have different law, Hindus have different law, Christians have different law. So what will it lead to? Hindus will hate Muslims, Hindus will hate Christians, Christians will hate Muslims. So that should not be done. So uniform civil code should be introduced. So 4 important suggestions. First and the most important is that the answer from your side, that is developing equality or providing equal opportunities to all the religions people. Then second and the most important one, that is introducing uniform civil code. And third one is secular thoughts should be developed. And also fourth one is what? The nationalistic thought, nationalism. Nationalism. So we have to give more importance for the nation, not for the religion. Okay, that thought should be developed. 4 important solutions for the problem of communalism. Again, you can note this one because 2 marks expected question for the examination. So do you have any doubts? If anybody has got a doubt, tell me. Okay, let me sum up. In our today's period, we started with the problems faced by India. You only have given me the answer. Then we have discussed about unemployment. we have discussed about meaning of unemployment, then causes for unemployment and measures that can be taken to solve the problem of unemployment. Later, we have discussed about communalism, disputes among the religions. Communalism, their communalism definition we have seen, what communalism leads to, what are the effects, results of communalism, and how the problem of communalism can be solved. Okay, I hope you all enjoyed today's class. Don't know, this is the first class for me online. Okay, so I have taken little more time, which I would have taken little less time to discuss these two topics in the classroom. So tomorrow onwards, hope all the problems will be solved. I too will become familiar. Already you have become familiar, no? You are senior to me in this matter, right? You have already attended English class, science class, right? You are senior to me. Tomorrow I will improve myself. Let us continue in our tomorrow's class. Okay, thank you very much. So after 5 minutes, Sindur sir will continue. Join the same link. Okay, thank you very much. Enjoy.